So now we need to remove the old gasket. The old gasket looks in very good condition and looks better than the new one. So we're going to remove the gasket and we're going to clean up this area before we install the new cat on. Yeah, I have removed the old gasket. You see, this side facing the cat and that side facing the engine. It's some kind of a two-layer structure. You can see like two layers of stainless steel together. And this is my new gasket. It's kind of a soft thing, but I will use the new one anyway.